YouTube and welcome to my channel. It's Dirty Dems, aka Demograffix, and today I'm in Hemel Hempstead town centre and I'm going to be painting the outside of the Marlowes shopping centre with an artist called Anne. So I'll leave her Instagram and social media link here. So yeah, me and Anna working in town. The lady from B&Q, the paint department, has just kindly brought us some ice creams. What was the lady's name?
Jackie.
Jackie. Thank you very much, Jackie.
Cheers.
Okay, so that's it, end of day one. We've got some paint on the wall, got some sketches of some key features, key landmarks around Hemel Hempstead. Wow. That's cool.
Really like the splats.
Yeah. Do you want more splat?
Not too much, really.
Yeah.
Bit of motion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nothing but blue sky, blue sky. Nothing but blue sky. Nothing but blue sky, blue sky. Singing a song but blue sky. Nothing but blue sky, blue sky. Singing a song but blue sky. Nothing but blue sky.
I'm doing it.
Yeah, you're doing it.
Okay, I'm doing it.
Blue sky. Singing a song.
So, end of day 2. I'm getting there. We've got some colours filled out on the mural. We've got the skateboarder over there. We've got the bridge. Got the rainbow on there. And some abstract patterns. So that's it, end of day 3, and we've got some portraits on the wall. Day 4, I'm going to get 2 more portraits up on there, probably some local sports heroes from the Olympics, so they're going to go on the wall and hopefully be finished tomorrow. So behind me we've got the statues, the heron and the building as well, plus 2 portraits, so it's going to be a busy day tomorrow. Final day today, day 4. Got the sketch up, start in the morning, and I'm going to start filling in the colours now. So that's it, end of day 4, completed the 2 portraits. So we've got Max, what's his name, Max? Whitlock, with the Olympic badge. We've got Anthony Davison with his very funny eyes. Did what I could, it was a very low res pic. Then we've got Biba and her sister Nicole, and unfortunately it's very sad, but these 2 sisters died last year. They were killed in a knife attack, so this mural is in tribute to them. So we've got some sad faces on here and some positive for Hannah.
But you know, Biba and Nicole were such happy people that these pictures are wonderful, and especially Biba's smile there, it really reflects who they were, and that's really what we want people to remember, is who
the
they
happy
were
times.
and the great lives that they had, and all the people that they touched. So yeah,
It's great. So I had to come back. I couldn't leave Anthony Davison's face the way it was yesterday, so I feel it's looking a lot better now and I can walk away from the mural happy. So, High Street mural, completed it, mate. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Peace.